Okay, so I tried to speed this up a little bit just so that we wouldn't spend so much time looking at this video. So remember, you take all the coefficients, so 5, -1, 1, -2, and that's going to go in the bottom of both of these giant fractions, okay? Then you need to figure out what the determinant of each portion is. So 5 times -2 is -10. Subtract 1 times 1 is -1. When you subtract two negatives, it's a positive. So this answer is -9, which means both of these answers are -9. So in this denominator and this denominator, I have a -9. Okay, now let's figure out the numerator's determinant. So a -2 times a -2 is +4. Subtract a -5. Okay, so then if I subtract a negative, that's adding. So that makes the numerator +9. So a +9 over -9 is -1. Okay, let's figure out this one. 25 subtract a -2. Okay, so that's really going to make that add. So it's 27. So I really have, goodness gracious, 27 over -9. So that makes this answer -3. So my x value was -1. My y value was -3. Okay, so now I left this one a little bit more from scratch so that we could build it really quickly. Okay, so what you'll do is to solve for the x and to solve for the y. Okay, you're going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4 things here, 4 things there. Oh, they decided to be really hateful. Okay, the reason they're being really hateful on this one is, see how that's y equals this -4x plus 2? I have to have the constant alone. So that was pretty despicable. So I'm going to have to move that -4x over. So that actually is y plus 4x equals 2. That was very unkind of them. Okay, so that means my bottom matrix is actually 1, 4, 2, -3. 1, 4, 2, -3. Okay, and then to solve for the x, and then to solve for the y, you're going to end up putting the constant, so 2, 8. So 2, 8 goes here, 2, 8, oh, my pen's running out. 2, 8 goes there. And then, not 1/2, but 1/2. These are replicated. So 4, -3, 1, 2. Okay, then we just need to find the determinant. So if I find it for this one, I've basically found it for that one. So -3 subtract 8. So that's -11. So that means in both of these cases, -11 is in my denominator. You can't see that. Okay, so now let's find the numerator. So that's -6 minus 32. Okay, so that's, ooh, that's unfortunate. That's 38. Well, that is really, really ugly. -38. I was hoping it was something that 11 would go into. Well, let's see what this one works out to be. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Well, those are both two really, really, really ugly numbers. Perhaps, did I make any kind of a mistake? 1, -4, 2, -3, and an 8. Oh, I see what I did. I really, really, really messed this one up. Okay, so I did move that over, but I should have switched the order of these. So that really should have been 4, 1. So that is a horrible mistake. I apologize for that. But that's the kind of sneaky, awful stuff that they're doing. And I saw part of their sneakiness, but I didn't put it all together, because that should have given me a huge clue that something was going terribly awry.